Looking for the best robot vacuums of 2025? We've narrowed it down to the top 3 models that combine smart features, powerful cleaning, and great value. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dust, or everyday messes, these vacuums are built to handle it all. Stay tuned as we review each one, highlighting their pros, cons, and standout features. Let's find the perfect cleaning companion for your home. Let's dive in. Number 3. The iRobot Roomba Vac Essential Q0120 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking hassle-free, efficient home cleaning. Equipped with a 3-stage cleaning system, it tackles dust, dirt, and pet hair with ease on both carpets and hard floors. The suction power, adjustable across 3 levels, ensures a thorough clean, while the edge-sweeping brush targets corners and tight spots effectively. Its smart navigation system cleans in neat rows, avoiding furniture and stairs with precision. Users appreciate its ability to reach under low furniture like tables and cabinets, making it particularly useful for hard-to-reach areas. The iRobot Home app enhances convenience by allowing users to set cleaning schedules, track progress, and even enable the clean while I'm away feature. The vacuum's self-charging capability ensures continuous cleaning, with a runtime of up to 120 minutes per charge. Although some users mention it's slightly noisy, the powerful performance more than compensates. Additionally, the spot cleaning mode is perfect for tackling stubborn dirt in specific areas. While there may be minor glitches with voice control for some devices, overall, the Roomba Vac delivers exceptional functionality and value for money. Whether you have pets or a busy schedule, this sleek, low-profile vacuum is a reliable and efficient solution to keep your home spotless with minimal effort. Number 2. The URobot Vacuum 11S Max is a game-changer for anyone looking for a compact, yet powerful cleaning solution. With its super-thin design, just 2.85 inches, it can easily navigate under furniture and tight spaces that larger vacuums can't reach. Despite its slim profile, it offers an impressive suction power, making it ideal for hardwood floors, tiles, and medium-pile carpets. One of the standout features is its Boost IQ technology, which automatically boosts suction when more power is needed, ensuring efficient cleaning across different surfaces. The vacuum runs quietly, comparable to the noise level of a microwave, making it unobtrusive for daily cleaning. On a full charge, it provides up to 100 minutes of cleaning time, which is more than enough for regular maintenance. The vacuum's self-charging feature is also a convenience, as it automatically returns to its base when the battery is low. It's equipped with infrared sensors for obstacle detection and drop sensing technology for added protection. Many users, including pet owners, have praised the 11S Max for its ability to pick up pet hair effectively, making it a reliable choice for homes with animals. With a straightforward setup and easy maintenance, this vacuum delivers excellent value without the complexity of more advanced models. For anyone seeking a simple, effective robot vacuum, the BL20 Max is highly recommended. Number 1. The BL20 Pro is a fantastic addition to my cleaning routine. This 4-in-1 robot vacuum, mop, and self-emptying device has made cleaning my home more convenient and efficient. One of the standout features is its 4,000 pascal suction power, which easily picks up dust, dirt, and pet hair, even from carpets. The vacuum runs quietly and efficiently, ensuring that the floors are spotless without disturbing my daily activities. The self-emptying feature is a game-changer. After each cleaning session, the robot automatically returns to its base and dumps the collected debris into a dust bag, allowing for 45 days of hands-free cleaning. I don't have to worry about emptying the dustbin after every cycle. The LiDAR mapping technology ensures precise navigation, scanning my home in 360 degrees and planning an optimal cleaning route. The app control is intuitive, allowing me to easily schedule cleaning sessions, adjust suction power, and set no-go zones to restrict areas I don't want the robot to enter. Overall, the BL20 Pro offers a comprehensive cleaning solution. It's ideal for homes with pets and varying floor types like hardwood and carpets. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and low-maintenance cleaning device, this vacuum and mop combo is a must-have. Highly recommended. Thanks for tuning in to our review of the top 3 best robot vacuums of 2025. We hope this helped you find the right one for your home. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and smart home tips. Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite. See you in the next video. Happy cleaning! Rocket Broom.